really helped me understand what offline classes are like, how the environment feels, how the teachers are in person. As an online experience, it was very new for me and it made me feel more connected. I really enjoyed working with WEKA for data science. It was fun to see how data can be visualized and understood. I also liked exploring cybersecurity. It felt exciting and new for me. It was amazing. The faculty was super nice, the hostel was comfortable, and even the guards and staff were friendly. It felt nice to meet classmates in real life and feel part of a bigger community. It really opened up my thinking. I got to try out many areas and now I have a clear idea of what I might focus in the future. It made those subjects feel more practical and exciting. You should definitely come here. You would meet new people, enjoy the campus and hostel life. It's not just useful for learning, it's also a lot of fun. Plus the teachers are always there to support you.